In today's data-driven world, businesses rely heavily on insights derived from data. And that's where data analysts come in, professionals who turn raw numbers into actionable strategies. But before you get to analyze datasets and build dashboards, you have to pass the very first test, your resume. In this video, we're diving deep into how to craft a winning data analyst resume, one that not only grabs attention but also gets past ATS, applicant tracking systems, and lands you interviews. Step 1. The structure of a standout resume. A strong resume should be 1. Clear and concise. Hiring managers spend just a few seconds skimming, so use clean formatting, bullet points, and avoid clutter. 2. Tailored. Customize your resume for each role. Generic resumes often get ignored. 3. ATS friendly. Avoid tables or columns. Stick to standard headers like work experience and skills. 4. Quantifiable. Numbers matter. Instead of improved reporting, say improved reporting efficiency by 15%. 5. Error-free. Typos suggest a lack of attention to detail, a red flag for a data role. Step 2. Showcase the right skills. Your technical skills are front and center. You should highlight programming, SQL, Python, databases, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, visualization tools, Tableau, Power BI, Excel, Advanced, Pivot Tables, VLOOKUP, statistical analysis, data modeling. Bonus, familiarity with big data platforms like Hadoop or Spark. Don't forget soft skills like analytical thinking, problem solving, and communication, they matter too. Step 3. Write a powerful summary. Your professional summary is a quick elevator pitch. It should highlight data analyst with 3+ years of experience in market analysis and dashboard development using Power BI, proficient in Python, SQL, and predictive analytics. Keep it sharp and focused on impact. Step 4. Work experience that shows impact. This is the heart of your resume. Focus on results, not just tasks. Weak. Performed data analysis using Excel. Strong. Analyzed sales trends, identifying a 20% drop in customer retention, leading to a new retention strategy. Use action verbs like developed, improved, led, optimized. Step 5. Projects and portfolio. If you're early in your career or switching roles, showcase personal or academic projects. Open source contributions, Kaggle competitions, GitHub repositories, these tell your story better than job titles. Step 6. Education and certifications. Include your degrees and any relevant certifications like Google Data Analytics Certificate, IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate, courses from Coursera, DataCamp, Udemy. These show you're investing in your own growth. Step 7. Additional sections, optional. Add value without clutter. You might include languages you speak, volunteer data projects, tools like Jupyter, Git, APIs, certifications like TOEFL, ICDL, or even Google Sheets Mastery. Final tip, use the resume checker. Once your resume is ready, don't forget to run it through Magical API's Resume Checker. This tool analyzes formatting, keywords, and structure to help you pass ATS scans and improve your chances. A great resume is more than a piece of paper, it's your bridge to the next big opportunity. So if you're ready to step into the world of data analysis, start with building the resume that gets your foot in the door. You can use the Magical API Resume Review. Go to www.magicalapi.com